Welcome back to Learning with a Difference School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script for Armed Forces Flag Day, which is on 7th of December. The union of hearts, the union of hands, and the flag of our union forever. We feel safe and protected because we have our armed forces. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. My name is Deepi. On behalf of Shivaji House, I with my classmates presenting today's morning assembly. 7th of December is observed as the Armed Forces Flag Day throughout the country. This day must be celebrated with highest spirit and gratitude in our heart. Dear God, bless the members of our armed forces. Give them courage, hope, and strength. May they ever experience your firm support and gentle love. And with this, let's get ready for prayer. So everybody join your hands, close your eyes and start prayer. And after prayer and pledge. In truth, our nights are peaceful and our days are secure due to our superheroes. The Indian Army is globally recognized for its unwavering dedication, remarkable valor, and undying commitment to safeguarding the motherland. And let's move forward and listen today's thought. For this, I invite on stage Rakshanda from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rakshanda, and thought of the day is bravery is not the absence of fear, but the ability to overcome it. I repeat, bravery is not the absence of fear, but the ability to overcome it. Thank you. Have a great day. And thank you very much. After news headlines and GK quiz. Various soldiers from the armed forces have laid down their lives in the service of the country. This day is observed to honor our armed forces and to collect funds from people for the betterment of the armed forces staff. Let us know more about our armed forces and about this day. And I invite on stage Preet Kaur from class 8 to deliver a speech. And after the speech, Armed Forces Day is a great time to help veterans in our community and say thank you. In addition this, today is a great time to learn more about the important role the military plays. And now I invite on stage Ashmit from class 8 to share a few interesting facts. And thank you very much, Ashmit. Armed Forces Flag Day is an opportunity for all of us to express gratitude and solidarity with our armed forces. By contributing to the welfare of our soldiers and their families, we can show our appreciation for their selfless efforts. It's time to show respect and support to the armed forces which guard our country day and night. And let us sing the source of pride, that is our national anthem. Now everybody get ready for national anthem. And after national anthem, today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you for your cooperation. Have a great day ahead.